Deductibility of entertainment expenditure under UAE corporate tax law. In the context of UAE corporate tax, expenses incurred for entertaining customers, shareholders, suppliers, or other business partners are recognized as common but often have both business and personal elements. These expenses may include costs for meals, transportation, accommodation, admission fees, and the facilities or equipment associated with providing such entertainment. Due to the challenges in distinguishing between the business and private portions of these expenditures, the corporate tax law provides a general allowance for entertainment expenses, permitting a 50% deduction for corporate tax purposes. This approach balances the inherent private component often present in such entertainment, simplifying tax reporting and ensuring compliance. Understanding entertainment expenditure for tax deduction purposes. Definition of entertainment expenditure. Entertainment expenditure includes costs associated with entertaining individuals who are not employees of the business, such as meals, expenses for dining with business associates. Accommodation, costs for housing business guests, including hotel stays. Transportation, travel expenses for guests, clients, or other business partners. Admission fees, costs related to tickets for events, shows, or other activities attended for business purposes. Facilities and equipment, costs of renting or using facilities, such as event venues or special equipment, for entertaining purposes. Since these expenditures frequently include a non-business or personal element, they are only 50% deductible for corporate tax purposes, reflecting the likelihood that part of the expense is not exclusively for business. Apportionment of entertainment expenditure. A taxable person must ensure that only 50% of the entertainment expenditure is deducted, as this accounts for the portion generally considered as benefiting the business. If the expenditure is entirely personal and lacks a business purpose, it would not be deductible at all. Examples to illustrate deductibility of entertainment expenses. Example 1. Entertainment for business clients. A family-owned business owns a hospitality box at a football stadium. This box is used exclusively for entertaining the company's clients, which has a clear business purpose, satisfying the requirement that the expense be incurred wholly and exclusively for business. Therefore, 50% of the cost associated with this entertainment can be deducted for corporate tax purposes, while the remaining 50% is not deductible. However, if the hospitality box were used by the owner's family, this use would be considered personal consumption without a valid business purpose. In such a case, the entire expense related to the box would be disallowed as a deduction. Example 2. Staff entertainment. Entertainment expenses incurred exclusively for staff purposes, example, employee parties or team-building events, are fully deductible, as they serve the business directly by supporting employee morale and cohesion. This rule does not apply if the event is private in nature, such as a family wedding or other personal gathering. If a staff event is held for both employees and their family members, only the portion attributable to staff attendance may be fully deducted. Practical example of entertainment expenditure deduction calculation. Case study, RLLC. RLLC, a UAE-based manufacturer of IT equipment, recently opened a new factory to expand its operations. To celebrate the facility's opening and generate interest, RLLC hosted an event at the factory, inviting customers and potential clients. For the tax period, RLLC's accounting income totaled AED 7 million, which included AED 300,000 in entertainment expenses related to this event. 1. Business entertainment deduction. Under corporate tax rules, only 50% of RLLC's entertainment expenditure, AED 300,000, is deductible. Therefore, AED 150,000 of this expenditure is allowed as a deduction for corporate tax purposes. 2. Tax adjustment. Since only 50% is deductible, the remaining AED 150,000 must be added back to our LLC's accounting income when calculating taxable income. 3. Final calculation of taxable income. Given no other adjustments, our LLC's taxable income for the tax period would be calculated as follows. Accounting income, AED 7 million. Add back of non-deductible entertainment, AED 150,000. Resulting taxable income, AED 7,150,000. This calculation ensures that only the business-related portion of entertainment expenses is deducted, adhering to the corporate tax loss guidelines on non-business related expenses.